Almost 450,000 Rohingya refugees have fled unimaginable persecution from their homelands in Myanmar to neighboring Bangladesh.
This is one of the borders, Myanmar on the other side. Half of the water belongs to Myanmar and this half belongs to Bangladesh. This is one of the points where our brothers and sisters fled the persecution, the slaughtering, the killing and torturing and raping. They came to this part of the earth. They came for shelter, seeking refuge.
I asked them, they was in 6 hours, they was in the boat, and it was terrible journey. And they are crying, they're thinking they are literally, they died in the sea.
Al-Khair's teams mobilized at the onset of the renewed violence, assisting the incoming refugees who've made perilous journeys across land and sea seeking safety in Bangladesh.
बहुत से घर जला गए, बहुत से बस्ती जला दिया गया, बहुत से बस्ती जला दिया गया, बहुत से आदमी मार दिया गया।
अल्लाह अकबर। तो आपको पैदल चलते हुए आने में कितने दिन लगे?
हाँ, आने में 10 दिन लगा। 10 दिन। 10 दिन।
अल्लाह अकबर। तो इस उम्र में, इस बुढ़ापे की हालत में आप इतना पैदल चलकर?
2 आदमियों ने मुझे खूब
अच्छा, कंधे पर उठाया?
उठा कर लाया।
Allahu Akbar.
Initial aid focused on distributing food and clean water.
People they can't cook meal here, so that's why we bring dry food, the water, the tent, and the clothes, milk for children, the various items.
As the refugees settle in the overcrowded and underserved camps, Al-Khair Foundation is establishing long-term clean water solutions.
Within the 3 days, we already done 22 well, and our planning to do another 32 well within next 3-4 days.
And sanitation systems.
और यहाँ पर ये 3 toilets ये बना रहे हैं, and these toilets, as you can see, they are dug deep. They are dug quite deep.
Medical camps have been established to treat pregnant women, the countless injured, sick and desperate Rohingya.
It's very important, because that running this kind of medical camp is quite expensive, and this camp, every day we see at least 300 to 400 patients.
Cooked meals are distributed daily in multiple camps. As the current influx of refugees recedes, the challenge for aid agencies is to serve the hundreds of thousands of extremely vulnerable Rohingya who have already entered the Bangladeshi camps.
This is their call to unity. We have hundreds and thousands of our Rohingyan brothers and sisters and elders and babies and newborns and injured and pregnant. They have nothing, but they have one thing. They have Allah above, and they have you.
Al-Khair Foundation requires your unrelenting support in order to rescue, rebuild, and revive the lives of these long-suffering people, and to reinstall hope to those who've lost everything.
So they're fleeing to Bangladesh for save their lives with only hope, nothing else.